Hey guys, what's up? It's Danielle. So welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have another Pipsticks unboxing or enveloping. What do we want to call this? I don't know. Little disclaimer, there is a baby cat right here. You can see his little paws. So there's approximately a 72% chance that he's going to get tired of me filming and he's going to walk all over everything. So just a heads up on that. But anyways, I am super excited for this because I normally stock these in the mail. And I'm always like, when is it getting here? When is it getting here? And this time I was pleasantly surprised because I wasn't even thinking about it. Just been so freaking busy. So I don't even know what this one's going to entail. Not that I know what any of them do, but you know. All right, so like I've shown you guys before, comes with this little booklet. And just to let you know, I have been getting this at a discount. So instead of it being like 20 bucks a month, I'm getting it for like $10.95 a month. So that was really the biggest reason why I decided to go ahead and get this. Just thought I would mention that because I wouldn't normally spend that much on a subscription, but you know, but this is kind of fun to look through. I never really bother with this, but this is actually kind of cute. You know, there's like little games and puzzles and stuff that you can color, and yeah, I guess you can make a DIY sticker dispenser out of this. I don't know, but this is supposed to be like kind of 90s, or is that 80s? I don't know. I wasn't born in the 80s. I was born in the 90s, so if somebody was born in the 80s, please tell me. Or if you were born before that, I guess. All right, so let's see what we have. I'm just going to start with this. Nice. I love the postcards that they have because they're super cute. And then in addition to that, like they're on really nice cardstock. But this just has a flip phone and it says see you later. Fun fact, I never actually learned how to text like using T9. Like, I know how to, but I never was good at it because once I feel like texting got really big, I had a phone that had like a full keyboard. The first phone I had that was a full keyboard, kind of going down memory lane here, was actually the Samsung Blackjack. Does anybody remember that? It was like a BlackBerry knockoff. I love that thing. It was amazing. Chef's kiss. And then, you know, it evolved into like the LG Envy, the LG Envy Touch. And then eventually I ended up getting an iPhone and I just flip-flopped between that and like Samsung for a couple of years. But anyways, I won't continue to bore you with that. But do you guys remember like your old phones? Like it just, every time I think about that and like somebody in like Gen Z is like, oh my God, your phones were so cool. I'm like, well, they were, I guess, in hindsight, but at the time it was like cutting edge technology. Anyways, so this is kind of like a mall theme. And this is really cute because, you know, we don't really have malls anymore. Like we do, but it's not the way it used to be. You know what I mean? Like, who remembers going to the mall when they were a kid and you would just spend like the whole day there? Like you would just make it into an event. I swear, every weekend that was my family. Every single weekend. All right, this is really cute. So this is meant to look like old school Bath and Body Works products. And I kind of miss like the 90s version of Bath and Body Works. I had no clue what it was at the time, but yeah. And then you have this, which is supposed to be like fountains and you can like throw the coins in. That's actually really cute. And then this is Oh my God, this is so cute. This one is like stuff that you would get at I almost called it a concession stand. Oh my God. Stuff that you would get at the food court. That's adorable. And 100%, yes, I agree. Give me more stickers. But I don't think I actually ever got anything out of one of these. I don't know. I was more like a gumball kid, personally. Oh, look at this. This is adorable. A little takeout box. It's supposed to be like Panda Express. Oh my God. The little sauce packet has me dying. That's the cutest. And then this is very like Paul Blart, but that's super cute. And then you got like the escalators. Yeah, and the stairs. I guess there's no stairs. I guess they're just all escalators, but all right. This one, Cinnabon. I don't know why, but Cinnabon seems so much better in my memory. Like, I haven't had it in well over 15 years, I think. Maybe longer. Because I'm kind of like, what's the point in buying cinnamon rolls if you can just make them? I don't know. Maybe that's just me, but these are really cute, though. All these little sticker, little... I want to call them vending machines. They're not vending machines. But they're like, you know, like the gumball machines. Like, yeah. Sticker machines, whatever you want to call them. And then, oh my God. Look at this. It's like Sabaro. All the pizza. That's really cute. And then, got this. This is definitely 90s. I don't know why I said 80s. Maybe 80s and 90s? We'll go with that. How about that? But yeah, this is super cute. I love all the colors. Like, it's just very much up my alley. And then gumball machines. And then you guys remember like the sticky hands. My brother would always take these and like smack me with them. I have a personal vendetta against sticky hands. Does anybody else? And then you have... Oh my God, do you guys remember when everything was see-through? Like all the Mac computers were see-through and oh my God, look at you got Yoshi, you got Kirby for Nintendo 64. Yeah, I remember carrying around a CD player, or it was actually a Discman. I thought I was so cool when I was 8 years old, listening to my brother's Sum 41 CD on the bus. Yeah, I thought it was hot shit. I think we all did. And then I never had an iPod Nano. I had an old iPod. Well, it wasn't that old. But I had an iPod that my mom used that she gave me. And it had like 128 gigs or something. And I filled it up in like no time at all. Go figure. Oh my God, I still remember taking pictures with an actual camera, like taking selfies like that. Oh my God, I feel really geriatric right now, but look at these really, really pretty alphabet stickers. That's super cute. Honestly, I would have to say my favorite part out of all of this has got to be... aside from the pizza, because is that not the cutest? But I would probably have to say that it's the Bath and Body Works inspired stuff. Like, is that not the cutest thing ever? So I'm really excited to see what I get for next month. And I kind of like that they have different themes every month, just because... First of all, I never know what I'm going to end up with. Sorry about the glare. But also, it's like, you know, I have stickers for like the one-off sort of things. And I actually really like that. I'm just trying to make sure that when I get these back into the envelope that they're not like scrunched up. But yeah, I really really have to admit that I have been enjoying this subscription a lot. A lot. Definitely worth the money in my opinion, but then again, I think that's, you know, something that everybody has to decide for themselves. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to put this in with my other stickers, and you will probably see some of this pop up in one of my, well, probably in my next plan with me video, because let's face it, I get so excited when these come in that I have to use it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll talk to you on my next video. Bye, guys.